yes, the celebrity baby shower, one of the most beautiful, magical events there is. And also one of the most expensive. As if babies weren't expensive enough, just the party can cost you a small fortune. So what do you do when you want the party but you don't want to spend the money? You watch this video, of course. What's up, guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Today you can see we're actually not in my house. We are in my neighbor's house because we are throwing her BFF a baby shower party. Oh my goodness, Paris Hilton, who? This is Julia, this is her lovely home, and we're gonna be decorating this place. So, let's get started. Here is me going shopping yesterday. Craft heaven. Oh my god, they literally just have, this is so cute. They have the funnest stuff here. I love it. Look at that, they even have a whole section for baby shower. Let's see what they got. Oh, look how cute, I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, this is the cutest stuff I've ever seen. Oh, we should get some little candies. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Sold, oh my god. This is terrifying, but okay. These are perfect. This is the cutest bag of stuff I've ever had. Oh boy, there's so many pink ribbons. Decisions, decisions. Excuse me, what? This is fashion. This cart looks so funny. Gorgeous! Oh my god, it's gonna be so cute. Woo! Alrighty, I think that's enough. Let's go decorate. And now we're back, the magic of editing. So we got literally so much stuff. OMG, how cute are these? So precious. Okay, so you can see we got pink magic babyland everything. Oh my god, I'm like still crying at how cute this is. The cutest thing I've ever seen. So yeah, basically I just bought out everything that they had that was pink and fun. I have 400 million flowers because y'all know I'm crazy and do 400 flower DIYs a week. So got that. And we're just gonna kind of put everything everywhere. So here we go. So this is the first little section that we're gonna set up. It's kind of like when you walk in the home, this area. So we're just gonna get right to it. I've got a bear. I've got all sorts of like, you know, cake platters and stuff that we're gonna decorate and put some food on. But for now, we're just gonna go ahead and go nuts. I took the pink bows and all, you know, filled up little candy containers, stuck some bows on there to make them fabulous and super duper cute. Of course, I thought the bear could use a little bit of splash of color. So we put him in a nice pink bow that I just literally wrapped around his neck. Oh my god, yes, that is bear fashion. Oh, so cute. Grabbed some confetti and went ahead and filled up the little baby bottles, you know, decor thing, and put that right there next to the bear so it looked all fabulous. Oh my god, this is gonna be so cute. I like don't even know. Okay, so then of course I took some flowers. You can get flowers anywhere. Amazon's a great place to get a bunch of them for cheap. So I literally just went ahead and kind of, I'm going to put those all over the place, filling in all the gaps and making it look like flowers are just growing out of the walls magically, because that's what happens. You know, when you're having a baby, everything's beautiful. Hard at work or hardly working? Took some extra garlandy style ones and kind of filled in the holes at the bottom there too, and just kind of put those all over. Of course, added in some little other figurines that I picked up. These were plastic and literally cost like $1, I think. So add in some other colors of flowers, you know, just go nuts. There's no right or wrong way to do this, whatever color you want. I also got these cool little butterfly things, so I'm just gonna kind of put those all over the place wherever I want and make it look like we're in nature, glittery nature. I got a little wooden "Oh Baby" sign, so I'm just gonna spray paint that. We're gonna go with silver because that's kind of the theme of the party. So bum bum bum, spray that on, super simple, no sweat. Hang that up so it looks all cute. For the food decor, y'all know I cannot cook at all, so we're gonna do some semi-homemade baking. I went to my local grocery store and just picked up some random desserts here, but I got some cute little cake decorating stuff. I also got some food spray paint on Amazon and literally just decorated the food. Like you can see, I made the donuts pink, the cupcakes pink. You can make everything like super fast and easy bakery style, literally just by pre-buying stuff and decorating it yourself. Trust me, if I can do it, anyone can do it. Of course, we picked up some balloons from my local supermarket too, some tissue paper, and I went ahead and put that inside these little baby boxes that I also got on Amazon. Super cute and easy to set up there. Oh my god, this is going to be so stinking cute. Just wait till you see it.
But before I show you the grand reveal of that, we're also gonna go ahead and decorate the table. So we draped the chairs with some fabric that we got. You can see Julia do it. She just kind of wrapped it around like that and just tied it with a nice little bow, and then it looks like more glam and fitting the theme.
Nailed it!
Put some nice lacy tablecloth over that so it's all fabulous.
The fact that we've migrated into pajamas, it's like work. Okay. Anyways, you can also tell you guys it's night outside now. So, all right, here we go. Woo!
Got some moss actually from the craft store too, which this looks weird, but I promise it's gonna be cool. Got some feathers. Literally, I just kind of went nuts and put everything wherever. That's the fun of decorating. There's no real right or wrong way to do it. You can just kind of put everything wherever until it looks nice. So we got some faux flowers again and just kind of plopped those in between everything to kind of make it look like a nice little outdoorsy la land. Like I said, the theme of this is kind of a cute little tea party. So we got a nice little tea set that we're repurposing and kind of decorating it by sticking a bunch of flowers in there, draping those all over. I got some more cute little butterflies to put everywhere and some fabulous umbrellas that I went ahead and stuck in vases. Some playing cards, again off Amazon, that we set up in there, super easy to make it look, you know, Alice in Wonderland themed. Throw some flowers behind the chairs too to make it extra festive. Instead of getting expensive chargers, we literally used pretty paper plates and put them underneath nice plates because, you know, no one will ever really know the difference. Hung some signs just for fun. Put out a bunch of candy, and oh my goodness, I think everything's almost done. Are you ready? Dun da da da! Baby drum roll, please.
Alright guys, are you ready to see the finished product? It wouldn't be a party and a reveal if I wasn't all fabulous up. So we are wearing all pink, all fluffy shoes. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Da 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 da. Oh my god, you guys, look at how cute it is. The little baby sign, oh my god. Again, of course, up here we got the bear, so pretty, with all of this stuff all nice. This came out so good. This is literally the cutest part ever, by the way. Did I mention? Look at the little fake plastic baby shoes. Oh my god. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh, baby, 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 ooh.
All the little table decor came out so adorable. Oh my god, it's like so pretty and festive and fun and cute. Of course, you can see the food came out so beautiful too. Like, oh my gosh, all the pink food. It looks like it came from a bakery.
Literally, oh my god, the food. No one would ever know.
Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous.
Ta-da! I love it. I want to be this baby. I want parties thrown from me too. Literally the cutest thing I've ever seen. I love it so much. This is so fun. Oh, there's a random feather attached to this. Crafting problems. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, next part.
And ta-da! Of course, the little Alice in Wonderland tea party kind of scenery set over here is so precious. This part was so easy and fun. We got the pink cupcakes, the pink flowers. The tea set vibe is very kind of like ethereal and, you know, very fantasy land. The umbrellas are such a fun little touch. This would be super cute, especially in an outdoor setting. You know, especially if it was like a garden baby shower or something. But all of it pulled together so precious. I love it.
Isn't it just so cute? Oh, I'm talking about me. No, I'm kidding. I'm talking about, obviously, the table decor. Voila! Baby masterpiece. So that's that, and I think that's all that on that. There's a lot of that's. So there you have it, you guys. That was my DIY baby shower decor ideas. As always, if you use these or any of my other DIY ideas, please tag me. I love to see them. I love you guys so very much. Kisses till next time. Mwah, mwah, mwah. To you, yours, and all the little ones out there. XO. Oh, baby. You ready to get babied? Babyfied? babied up, DIY baby. None of that made sense. Okay.